Hey everyone, welcome back to Take a Review. Today we're going to be unboxing and taking a look at the Apeman A79 4K action camera. Now this is very similar to one that I reviewed recently, but this one has the added feature of having a remote control. So let's get it open, take a look inside. So on the front of the box we have the model name, which is the A79 4K Ultra HD 2-inch LCD screen, 60 megapixel photos, and again 40 meters waterproof. Time-lapse recording, external microphone, which I forgot to add over the previous one. So again, this has a remote control and it also has an external microphone. And then on the back again, some more specs. Okay, so again, we have the little hello and welcome card. Again, the user manual, multiple different languages, giving you all the types of attachments. Quick rundown of where everything is. Another cleaning cloth. The action camera itself and its waterproof housing. Now you'll notice that this housing is slightly different to the last one. The latch on here opens at the top, whereas the previous one it opened up on the side. I'll have a look at this in a minute. And our accessories box. Okay. So again, we're getting a ton of accessories, mounts. There is the little remote control. Obviously recording, photograph. And they're probably the straps for it. Sticky pads. More mounts. Cable ties. Another back door for the housing. Here is the microphone. Again, there's a little mic. A little windshield on it. A little clip. Some sort of crocodile clip, another housing. So I'm guessing if you're using the mic, etc., that makes it very easy obviously to plug in. So again, a whole bunch of accessories straight out the box. Okay, taking a look at the camera and housing itself. So we've got buttons at the front here, menu buttons or something on the side there. Already comes with a bracket or mount already. Let me get this off. And there we have the camera itself. So power button on the front and mode button. On the side here we have the SD card slot, USB slot. Guessing that's maybe HDMI slot or micro HDMI. Microphone in slot there. Screen at the back. On the side we have the Wi-Fi button and also some menu buttons there underneath. We have the trapdoor. Trapdoor for the battery. Now, like I said on the previous review, the batteries in these they're not great. You definitely need a couple of spares, or if you're not too bothered about the waterproofing side or the weatherproofing side, definitely hook it up to a USB external battery, and you'll get a lot longer battery life out of it. Okay, so there we go. So at the top of the screen here it tells us we're currently at 4K 30 frames per second. Now I've been using these as time-lapse cameras, so it's there saying it's taking a photo every 5 seconds. I don't know if I can quite make that out. Next to it is the Wi-Fi symbol, but its Wi-Fi is not on at the moment. Battery indicator, date and time, and microphone is off at the bottom there. Pressing the button on the front then takes you over to the camera, and that currently telling us we're 16 megapixels. Press the button on the front again. That takes you to any stored files or videos, photos you've got. And now we're into the actual camera settings. So at the bottom here we can sort of see we've got video, camera and other settings there, and then using the buttons on the side we can scroll down these settings. Again, the button on the front will take us through the various menu options. And then press the shutter button on the top to take us out back into the camera mode. The overall build quality of the Apeman A79 is really good. The waterproof housing is really tough, you get a ton of accessories. The video and photo quality is actually not that bad at all. Now I've been using a couple of these, the A100 and the A79, on time-lapse for a build project at my home. Now I've had them hooked up to a USB battery pack and I get pretty much all day, sort of time-lapse out of it. They're never going to compete with the Gopro Hero because they're in a different league of their own, but for every one of those, you could probably buy 2 or 3 of these, and these really do pretty much everything that I've asked from it. They come with a ton of accessories. Now, if you found this video useful, please remember to like and subscribe. If you've got any questions or any comments, leave them below, and I'll do my best to answer. Thanks very much for watching, and I will see you all next time.